This is going to be a review of the Lineway model HT015 radar motion sensor LED ceiling light that you can get on Amazon. Here's the lamp out of the box. It's a beautiful design. This design has been out for about 10 years for modern homes. It's very sleek and stylish. We have a back plate here, which will make this extremely easy to assemble. All you'll have to do is remove the black plate. You'll unscrew these screws at the front, take the back plate off, remove the lamp that you have on there right now. Make sure to disconnect your power, shut it off at the circuit breaker. You will not need any hardware because this plate will go on the screws that you already have in your outlet box. They have quick connectors, so all you'll have to do is insert your wire into here. Comes with a ground wire, and let me show you the instructions because this is very impressive. So what you have here is you have setting for motion detector for 13 feet, 20 feet, 26 feet. You also have switches setting the motion sensor when it works. Does it work in dark, completely dark, in daylight, or in dusk to dawn? And you also have a setting, how long does the light stay on, for 3 seconds before it turns off, for 45 seconds, or for 4 minutes. If you don't want the light to come on at all, you can just turn off your regular wall switch. So I'm going to show you how you install this lamp right now. Again, looks very easy to assemble. Good quality material. Beautiful finish. It is 12 inches across. It's 18 watts. You can use this in your stairway, in your bedroom, in a hallway. I have lamps like this all around my place. I've got one in the entry hall. I've got one in the entry to the bedroom, and I'm going to show you how to install one of these. That is the lamp that I have installed right now, and it's very difficult because this is in a hallway, and every time I walk in here at nighttime I have to flip on the switch to turn the light on, and then I've got to flip on the switch to turn the light off. Very inconvenient. And the dog likes to walk through the hallway too, and it's nice to have some lighting. So I'm going to disconnect this lamp now and show you how to install the Lineway light. First thing you want to do is get a cloth to protect the finish. You go and unscrew the 3 screws, get them out of the way. This front cover. I'm going to take off the plastic. And now we have the base over here. So what we're going to be doing is we are going to mount this back plate to the screws that are in the outlet box. I'm going to show you that. And they should fit into either the outside holes or the inside holes. These are universal. What I did is I stripped back the insulation on the ground wire. Your power wires, normally they are held on with wire nuts. Once you disconnect them from the wire nuts, with this new lamp, all you need to do is insert the wire into the back of this connector. So let me show you. I'm going to mount this up on the ceiling now and then show you how it all goes together. Here we have the base hanging from the ceiling, and I've attached the white wire to the white wire, the black wire to the black wire. Very simple. You just take the wire, insert it into the hole, push through, make sure no bare wire is exposed. And then I'm going to use the original screws that are here. Those are going to be going through these holes over here. Ground wire, if you need to attach your ground wire, that's fine. But the ground wire is already attached to the base that is going to be attached to the screws that should be grounded. And there are the switches that I was talking about for day, dusk, dark, the distance for activating it, and how long the light will stay on. So right now it's set for 3 seconds. Distance 50%, and looks like it's set for sunny, so the light will come on in the daytime. And let's just flip on the switch here, see what's going to happen. Whoa, that is bright. Okay, oh, wow, I just moved my hand. This is incredible. Look at this. I'll try to stay still. It should shut off after a few seconds. Move my hand. I love this. All you really need to assemble this is a screwdriver to tighten down the 2 screws that were in the outlet box. I didn't even need to use the ground wire because it's already connected to here. I've got my adjustments, so let me power on the switch now. I've got it set for 4 minutes to come on in the daytime and to activate from 13 feet away. So when I walk by the lamp, it should activate. Flip on the switch. I'm going to put on the cover now and show you what it looks like. And there it is, the complete install. It took me less than 5 minutes to install this. The light is absolutely beautiful. It looks a little dim because of the camera is activating the brightness. But the light is sleek, it is beautiful, the metal is very shiny, and I could not be happier. So this is a beautiful product, reasonably priced, very easy to install. Lineway on Amazon.